Hi everybody, here's the finished product of welding in the inner cab corner patch. I got it welded in. I got the welds ground down. I had to re-weld them because it and ended up welding it from the back too. And I also got the patch for the inner rocker. Otherwise it's ready to test fit the cab corner and the rocker panel, and I'll show you putting them on. It fits pretty decent, still needs some adjustments, and I need to get some screws so I can hold it in place along this upper. And then this piece I'm gonna end up using the original piece that I cut off because it will fit a lot better. Apparently the aftermarket ones are a little on the short side. And that's pretty much it for this short video, other than I got to rebuild my hinges by putting new pins and bushings in them. They're a little loose like normal, so I guess in the next video that'll be taking care of that, and then test fitting the door. And then I'll get to welding them on, finish and getting everything set in place, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.